These playing cards cost about USD 25 cents. Hello everyone, this is Yin Hao here. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will take a look at the cheapest playing cards I could find in Malaysia. So, how are these playing cards and why would you buy them anyway? I will let you know my thoughts at the end of the video. These are the Poker Club Special playing cards and they cost Malaysian Ringgit 85 cents or about USD 20 cents, which is less than a quarter. They are available in red and blue and are just color swapped. There is a half moon cutout and no tuck seal. There is also no slit at the top of the tuck box to ease the removal of the playing cards. The cards have a glossy coating and fans well out of the box, which is quite surprising. This is what the back design looks like. They are not bad looking. The cards feel super thin and are not very snappy. They come with 2 jokers and 1 ad card, which makes a total of 55 cards, which is quite unusual as most playing cards comes with 54 cards, 52 cards and 2 jokers, or 56 cards, 52 cards, 2 jokers and 2 ad cards. This is the Ace of Spades. The rest of the faces are standard and there is nothing special about them. These cards are called the Poker Club Special playing cards, but ironically, they are not poker sized. That's just because playing cards around here are generally known as poker cards. The playing cards are actually slightly smaller than bridge size playing cards. Here is a comparison with an actual bicycle bridge size deck. You can see that the cards are slightly shorter. As mentioned earlier, they fan pretty well considering the price, but due to it being extremely thin, the cards bend very easily. There is no way I could do a Faro shuffle with these. The next deck of playing cards are also a cheap deck of playing cards I found in Malaysia known as the Jaws 1001 playing cards, and these cost Ringgit Malaysia 110, which is about 25 cents US dollars. There is no half moon cutout on the Jaws playing card tuck box. There is also no slit at the top of the tuck box either. It straight up says USPCC on the tuck flap and the tuck box, but I highly doubt it. 1001 is also likely inspired by the Aladdin playing cards. The Jaws playing cards comes with 4 jokers, 2 red and 2 blue identical pairs. It just says Jaws King on them. This is what the back design looks like. They're okay. This is the Ace of Spades. The rest of the card faces are standard and there is nothing special about them either. The cards feel very similar to the Club Special playing cards apart from being poker sized. Most probably due to the fact that they are poker sized, they feel even less snappy compared to the Poker Club Special playing cards. The size of the Jaws playing cards is almost identical to a bicycle playing card. Both these decks of playing cards are what they are and are exactly what I expected from a super cheap deck of playing cards. They serve their purpose. Usually you play a few games of card games with them and then you keep them or you discard them. In terms of quality, this could very well be the most inferior deck of playing cards that I have ever come across. They are even more inferior than the free playing cards you get with beer or that you used to get from airlines. However, these are superior in the sense that they have borders. Seeing that these cost around 1 ringgit or US 25 cents, I cannot fault them. So, having said all of that, why would you buy these cheap playing cards? Not necessarily these 2 brands, but any cheap dollar store playing cards. Number 1, because they are super cheap. You could practice ripping an entire deck in half like David Blaine, or use it to practice your Mercury card fold, or Torn and Restored card. If you want to experiment with constructing card gimmicks, you could start with these cheap cards. Number 2, being able to do magic with borrowed cards. Cheap playing cards are usually the most common cards you will find in people's houses. Learning a few effects you can do with these cheap generic playing cards, be it self-working or sleight of hand, and you are golden in the event that someone hands you a deck from their house. Let me know in the comments what is the cheapest deck of playing cards that you have found where you are from. Or what effects would you do if you are handed a deck of cheap dollar store playing cards? That's all for this review. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.